C. We have the following, we have the extensions.
That's an art. It's an art. So since it's smart art, it means we've done it for you, put in your content. So at the end of the day, it just flips round how it should flip round. Okay, still move on. Just take exhaust all the options there so that you see what is.
My name is Pamela. I successfully completed this training in Microsoft Office from Genius Business School. I improved it helped me, the training was very practical and hands-on. It has helped me to improve in my Microsoft PowerPoint skills as well as Excel and even Word that I thought I was proficient in. I enjoyed the training, the environment was absolutely conducive, the facilitators are really friendly and professional, and I intend to use my added knowledge to my job.
My name is Sheung Ibukuni. I just successfully completed the 2 days training on Microsoft Suites, and it's such a very awesome experience for me. This is my first time at Genius Business School. The instructors were very professional. The trainings were not just practical, they were very interactive. As a journalist, I intend to deploy some of the new things I've learned here to improve on my skill as a journalist. And I want to say a very huge thank you to the organization, Genius Business School, for affording me the opportunity to be a part of this. I know I can never be the same again with this training. Thank you so much, Genius Business School.
My name is Mark Olafare. I'm a data and research analyst. I work with Smart Clinic and more.
My name is Vivian Opala. I'm a recent graduate of Cross River State University. I'm an accountant.
Okay, so when I heard about the training, the Microsoft training, I was like, it's going to be an opportunity for me to develop my skills in Microsoft. I was wowed with the training, and I could say that it was an exciting time.
Coming to GBS has been an amazing experience for me. Getting to meet a conducive environment, the facilitators were amazing. The training was wow, and I'm very impressed with what they're doing. So I encourage others to join this training.
There's one thing I'm going to take away from this training is that for every point where you get to learn something, there's always something new to learn. And I feel like this has been another opportunity for me to learn much more than I thought I have known. And the facilitators were top notch. They did all they could do, and I'm so glad to be part of the GBS, Genius Business School training. I just got completed.
I feel GBS is the best place to be at. And so, viewers out there, I encourage you all to come and get an amazing experience from GBS. GBS is...
Okay. My name is Otroni Steven. I'm a civil engineer.
I'm Ola Kwazina Mabosode by name. I'm a student.
I learn about the Genius Business School through online, and I applied, and I was given an admission. I came for the training, the Microsoft Office, the Excel, PowerPoint, and the Word. They were powerful. The facilitators, they are wonderful, they are professional.
And getting to know about GBS School, when I came across it online, I was so happy to be here. And getting here, they amazed me beyond my expectation. From PowerPoint, Excel, to Microsoft Word, to things I think I've known all in Microsoft, but I got to get more experience. And the classes, the training has been so nice, so practical, intensive, and I was wowed, and I've learned a lot.
So now, with the training I've gotten, I will use it in the presentation for bidding of contract and so many things. And the most surprising or amazing thing that the classes, they are free of charge, 100%. We're not charged any time. So we are grateful for this opportunity.
So you're allowed to?
Yes, it's a video.
But don't change your position, or still take pictures later after this, not like later.